Number 1. 3D Illusion Platform Night Lighting. The 3D Illusion light is powered by 9 long-life, super bright LED lights which never get hot and use very little energy. This is the perfect night light for children. We only use the highest quality material in the construction of our 3D Illusion lights. We test each light base and acrylic plate before leaving the factory to ensure proper operation and superb lighting. 3D Illusion Platform Star Wars Night Lighting, Terrasol Touch Button 7-color change decor LED lamp made by Terrasol. The 3D Illusion light is powered long-life, super bright LED lights which never get hot and use very little energy. This is the perfect night light for children. Press one time, one color lights up, press it again, it turns off. Press it thirdly, another color light up, so you can change different color modes. It can be put in bedroom, child room, living room, bar, shop, cafe, restaurant, etc. as decorative light. Number 2. Infinity Cube Fidget Toy. Infinity Cube is a kind of mechanical puzzle toy with mathematical principles which can be opened and put together from different directions, thus creating a visually interesting effect. It looks like a 2x2 Rubik's Cube, composed of 8 cube small blocks. Each cube can be rotated from any direction and angle. Ergonomic curved shape design for hand comfort and long-term usage. It also improves your focus while studying, working, or brainstorming by a simple flip and fold. It's a relaxing, noiseless, and compact tactile sensory never-ending cube. Number 3. LED USB Clock Fan. This USB clock fan can be powered by any PC USB port or a USB hub or USB charger with ease. It can be powered by USB 2 or USB 3 ports as it does not draw much power. It is quite unique to see the LED light spin and perfectly represent a clock face, even with ticking second hands and the minute and hour hands moving. The fan blades themselves are very pliable and soft, so you do not have to worry about clipping or scratching or cutting your hands or fingers. You can stop the blades anytime without injury, and I did to show you the LED light on the blade. When the blade is stopped, only the green LED light is lit. The red ones do not light up unless the fan blade is spinning. If you unplug the clock, it has an internal battery that stores the last time it was set to. I don't know how long that lasts, but you can easily switch USB ports without having to reset the time again. Number 4. Color Toilet Bowl Night Light. Welcome your toilet into the 21st century with the Pet Dexon Toilet Light. It's safe, it's energy efficient, and it's kind of fun too. Its motion sensor detects body heat as far as 18 feet away to automatically illuminate the room when you enter and shut off when you leave. Its small and discreet design will integrate seamlessly with any bathroom decor. Its flexible arm to attach the unit onto any size toilet bowl, resting just below the seat lid and onto the rim. The toilet light's average battery life is 6 months to 1 year, depending on the brightness setting and frequency used. 16 color changing that can work on a rotation or as a solid color decorating washroom. Number 5. Magnetic Rings Fidget Toy Set. The magnetic fidget rings are made of high quality material and are very durable. The rings are also magnetic, so they can be used to play with other magnetic toys or simply as a stress reliever. Quickly focus your attention and release stress through a simple rotation game when you feel anxious, stressed, and fidget. Curb unwanted habits such as nail biting and smoking with cool fidget toy. Let you enjoying a good time during alone. These fidget magnets are great for travel, for work, for home, or for the pencil case. They are lightweight and pocket-sized, not only a fun, enjoyable toy, but also can be used as a ring or ornament. These fidget magnets are great for travel, for work, for home, or for the office. Number 6. Magic Ball Wood Puzzle. The spherical shape is also a good decoration on the table, which is very eye-catching. Play puzzles to exercise the brain, develop intelligence, and keep hands and feet coordinated. This toy is a challenge for complete the puzzle. Don't underestimate these small pieces of wood. If you want to open and assemble it at will, you will have a headache if the time is short. Try it! Placing him at home is also a beautiful decoration. When a friend visits your home, it can be a good tool for communication, and it can also enhance your taste invisibly. Number 7. Boon's Jar Opener. Boon's Jar Opener under cabinet is simply a round piece of synthetic material constructed of plastic and stainless. Boon's opener can help you easily loosen tamper-proof, vacuum-sealed lids and those with even smooth edges. It's very easy to install our jar opener with pre-attached peel and stick adhesive and the 3 included screws. It's best for children, the elderly, those with arthritis, carpal tunnel, those working in kitchens, and those who have weak hands. Boon's jar opener saves your time. Just open that lid in a snap and start cooking. Easy twister jar opener. Boon jar opener makes your life easier. It is lightweight and grips so perfectly. It makes you to avoid the risk of using a knife to open the lid and works as ideal jar openers for weak hands. Boon Household Essentials save your hands from the pain and stress. The product grip can open lids of any size and type easily, from fingernail polish to large pickle jars. Jar Grip Opener opens child-proof medicine bottles, water and soda bottles, and more. Number 8. Flashlight Gloves Gifts for Men. This is a practical and cool light-up gloves with 2 LED light for repairing working in darkness places. It is comfortable, breathable, waterproof, and wearable. Also a creative gadget for men, father, husband, and boyfriend. Made from high-end soft cloth, which is comfortable, breathable, and wear-resistant. Built-in 2 bright LED light beads, powered by 2XCR2016 button batteries with 1 on and off button, improve work efficiency. The length of the strap can be adjusted independently for different sizes of hand. This magic fingerless gloves are made from lightweight and flexible cloth for keeping comfort, good elasticity, make it fit your hand perfectly, improving your work efficiency. It is a special gift for men, fathers, husbands, boyfriends, handymen, gadget lover for celebrating birthdays, Father's Day, Christmas, and other holidays. Number 9. Electronic Writing Digital Drawing Board. LCD writing tablet can be used as a drawing board, notepad, and reusable notebook, office writing board, drawing board, graphics, magic children's board, and doodle board, and so on. 4.5-inch writing board, compact, lightweight, safe, reliable, energy efficient, and multifunctional. LCD display panel, ultra thin and tough. The LCD panel is flexible and durable. The writing experience of the innovative writing tablet is like a pen on paper, so vivid. It is easy to develop children's writing, arithmetic, and painting skills, simple, clean, and interesting. Ideal for writing to-do lists, shopping lists, appointment reminders, short memos, and notes for friends and family. If you guys like this video or this video helped you, please give the video a like. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button to keep up to date on the latest and greatest in tech info. Till next time.